Hi everyone, this is Judy and welcome to my channel. Our lesson for today is about the use of ang and ang mga. Again, my name is Judy. I am here to teach you how to speak Cebuano in a conversational way. First, let's go to the pronunciation. So, ang is like the sound of the young in English, meaning not old, but without the Y. So, young, ang. So, that's how you pronounce the ang. So, ang is like the, a, or is in English language. Sometimes there's no equivalent meaning in the English language. And it is in singular form. Now let's go over to our sample sentences. Ang bulak means the flower. Ang babae, the lady or woman. Ang buwak means the flower. Oops, you can see these two are the same. But the difference you can see here is the L and the W. Okay? So L is sometimes pronounced as W. So bulak or buwak, both are acceptable. Another example is bulan or buwan, means moon or month, depending on how you construct the sentence. So, let's have a sample sentence. Another sample sentence. Ang babae kay guwapa. The lady is pretty. So, I have a formula here. We have the ang, and then the subject, and then the kay, and then the adjective. Okay? So, the kay here is dependent to the ang. So, the kay can be the is, are, and kay may sometimes be used as since. But we will discuss kay in another video. So, kay is a connecting word. Okay, remember this formula, guys. Ang, subject, kay, adjective. Okay, so we have two sample sentences here. Ang bulan kay hayag. Remember, the bulan is the moon. So, the moon kay is hayag means bright. Ang tubig kay hugaw. The water is dirty. Okay? So, hugaw is dirty. Tubig is water. If we omit kay here, for example, ang bulan hayag, it can also be done, but the sentence here may sound incomplete. So the kay here will make the whole sentence sound complete. If in informal conversation, you may omit the kay, but again, it may sound incomplete. So it's better to put the kay here so that you are using the complete sentence. So, remember this formula, guys, okay? So, we're gonna use that in our next lesson. Now, the next is ang mga. So, this MGA here, it is pronounced as mga. Okay? This is the plural form. In English, this is the these R. So, our formula, remember? So, we are just going to add mga after the ang. So, ang mga, subject kay, and then adjective. So, let's have more sample sentences here. Ang mga salida kay nindot. The movies. So, ang mga here is the. Salida is movies. Or more, salida is movie or movies. Kay are. So, the kay here, because we are in plural form, the kay is are now, not is, because we are in plural form again. Nindot is good. Nindot, good, or nice, or awesome. So this sentence, the movies are good, is in present tense. The movies were awesome is in past tense. Okay? Number 2. Ang mga sinina kay bagong laba. The clothes, sinina means clothes, are, kay here is are, bago, from the root word bago means new. Bagong laba means newly washed. Laba is wash. So, newly washed. Third one, ang mga Bisaya kay romantiko. The Visayan people are romantic. So, since we are in plural form again, so the Bisaya here is we are referring to the Visayan people. So, ang mga Bisaya kay romantiko. The Visayan people are romantic. Okay, so let me just have a very simple equation here. Ang is the singular form. Ang mga is the plural form. As long as you hear this mga, that means this is referring to two or more person, or as a group of people. Okay? So, if you have any questions, leave it down below, guys. Visit my site www.cebuano11.blogspot.com for more lessons, for more Visayan lessons. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Like and comment, let me know which country you are watching this. Thank you so much, and see you again next time. Bye-bye. Look how messy we are right now. We're really messy, and this boy here is so curious. Bye-bye for now.